Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to cast your Android phone screen to your Windows PC using the built-in wireless display feature. We'll walk you through the full setup on both your PC and your phone so everything works smoothly. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. To begin, open Settings on your Windows PC. Once you're inside Settings, go to System and scroll down until you find the option that says Projecting to this PC. Click on it and you'll see a message saying you need to add the wireless display optional feature before you can use this function. Click on Optional Features to continue. Now click on View Features, then select See Available Features and type Wireless Display in the search box. The option will appear in the results, so select it and click Add. Wait a few moments while Windows installs the feature in the background. Once it finishes, go back to System Settings and scroll down again to find Projecting to this PC. Inside that section, set the first option to Available Everywhere. The other two settings are optional, and you can adjust them based on your preference. Your PC is now fully set up and ready to receive a screencast from your phone. Now pick up your Android phone and swipe down to open Quick Settings. If you have a Samsung phone, look for an option called Smart View. On other Android phones, this feature may be named Screen Mirroring, Cast, or Wireless Display, but it works exactly the same way regardless of the name. Before you proceed, make sure both your phone and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, as this is required for the connection to work. Tap on Smart View or whichever option your phone shows, and your PC's name should appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it and then tap Start. A notification will pop up on your PC asking you to allow the connection, so click OK. Your phone screen will now begin casting to your PC in real time. If this video helped you set up screencasting, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.